Howdy Don, here's one of your 427s, small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. Got a set of our As-Cast heads, petroleum manifold, fuel manager, Holley Terminator X, custom grind hydraulic roller, got the front sump oil pan. We've got our pulley set up, make sure the alternator functions. We'll go in there and make a run, see how she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 506 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque looks like 534, peak horsepower 525. So we're at 500. It's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. That's a new As-Cast head, EFI. So we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, you find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watching this. It will definitely help your installation. On the engine will be this tag. If you need any information from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, QR code. That will take you to some more tech stuff. So really recommend watching all this tech stuff. Have a great day.